Hello there, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. My name is Palina and today I'm very excited because I ordered makeup products from Flower Nose. It just arrived in the morning and I'm going to unbox it. The products I bought are from the newest Mermaid collection. Here in the background you can see I have a box from the Unicorn collection and this one is the Chocolate Shop collection. This is the newest packaging from the Mermaid collection. I think it looks very beautiful. It says Moonlight Mermaid on it. It's the same drawer style gift box like always. Okay, here we go. The first thing we hear is a list of stuff I ordered, and here's like a little introduction of all the products, I guess, from their newest collection. I think the blush and the eyeshadow look super pretty. And you know what? I bought an eyeshadow palette. This is the first eyeshadow palette I'm buying from Flower Nose. Bubble wrap to secure everything, and here's all the products. I'm going to randomly grab out things. The first one I noticed is a hair clip. They can come in white or in like a blue color, and I got the white one. Look at how pretty this is! So you can get free stuff like hair clips, hand mirror, and blush brushes from Flower Nose when you buy a certain amount of products, and I always get them from the previous collections when I ordered from there. This is the one from Strawberry Rococo. They always come in random colors, so you can't select which one you want to get. This is the one from the Unicorn collection. I had the pink one from there, blue one from Strawberry Rococo, and this time I got the white one from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. Let's wear it, shall we? You can't really see from there, but it's pretty heavy. Next thing we have here is a blush brush from their newest collection. I got it for free because of the amount of products I bought. Let's see. In this collection, there's a light blue transparent one and a complete transparent one. I was going to say white, but now it's transparent. Oh, I got the blue one. It looks very pretty. It's another cute little domed brush with blue tint on the top of the fur. This is my brush from the Unicorn collection, this is the newest one from the Mermaid collection, and this is the one from the Chocolate Shop collection. All three are really cute. Okay, now we have a lip product. So I ordered 2 blushes, an eyeshadow, and a lip product. They always come in a plastic sealed packaging and a little box. I thought I smelled something. Let's go. It looks very pretty. This feels heavier than the other lip products I've bought. So I brought over my other Flower Nose lip products. This one is a lip gloss from the Unicorn collection. This one is a lip cream from the Strawberry Rococo collection. This one is a chocolate lip cream from the Chocolate Shop collection. And now we have the Mermaid one. They're all different in weight. I would say the Strawberry Rococo one is the heaviest one out of the 4. And then the next is the new Mermaid one. I think the chocolate and this one is very similar in weight. I like how heavy their products feel in the hand, feels very sturdy. What I like about Flower Nose is that with every collection they have different colored packagings when you order from their product lines. By the lip product of this new Mermaid collection, you can get the white tube, the pink tube, or the blue tube. The colored I chose have a white tube. Moment of truth. Oh, it looks like this. I'm not sure if it's a lip gloss or a lip tint, but let's see. It's like a very pretty peachy color. Peachy pink. It's a pretty warm-toned peachy pink color. This one smells different to all the other lip products I have from Flower Nose. You know what this smells like? This smells like apple juice. This smells exactly like apple juice. Now that I have it on the lips, I would say this too feels very similar in consistency and in texture. It's just like a watery gloss. It feels very lightweight on the lips and very moisturizing. Now let's go for the eyeshadow. Oh, it feels very heavy. This is a Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series 5-color jewelry eyeshadow palette. I'm very excited because I never had like any of these Mermaid collection products in my hands in real life. I've only seen pictures of it online, so I don't know how this will look in person. According to the pictures online, this looks really pretty. Very dreamy, I would say. Oh, I have the color 02 Celestial Castle. Are you guys ready? I'm not ready yet. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I don't think I have a prettier eyeshadow palette than this in my collection. Look at this, guys, it's so pretty. Okay, we're ready to open it. Oh, it's magnetic closure. This is the shades I bought. I thought it's been a while since I bought like a neutral palette that's not super colorful, so I went with like a basic neutrals one, and I took the pinkish one because I already have neutral browns. This one has some muted pink shades, I like this glitter in the middle, and there's nice and simple matte base shades to work with. The packaging, guys, the packaging is a whole other level for eyeshadow palettes. This feels so nice. I wiped this gloss off from my hand and there's a slight tint, there's a lip tint. Now let's move on to the blushes. I took 2 blushes from this collection. This is the Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series jewelry blush. My hair keeps annoying me. Let's clip it up with another Flower Nose clear clip. There, I look like an idiot. Okay, so I took the shade 04, Starmoon Tail, and 05, Siren Melody. I'm very excited. This blush is more of like a square shape compared to the other blushes I have from them. It seems like it's the same colorway as the eyeshadow palette, right? This pretty pink and champagne color kind of shift. Here we have it, my jewelry blush. Oh, this looks so pretty, guys. I like the little mermaid details with the little sparkles and stars and this heart and all this cute little stuff. There's a plastic for blue one next. This one is the 5th shade from the collection, and this one will be the darkest one. The blue packaging is also super pretty. Oh, look at this. This is a very pretty light pink, peachy pink to darker pink transition. I hope the blushes won't be too light for me. Let's look at the embossment. I saw the trailer of it and it had a super cool transition. There was a mermaid lady sitting on a crescent moon and touching the top of the moon, and then suddenly transitioned into the embossment of the blush, which is also a little mermaid lady sitting on the crescent moon touching the top of it. It's super pretty. I brought over my other Flower Nose blushes from the previous collections for comparison. This is the one from the Unicorn collection, this is one from the Strawberry Rococo series, and this one's from the Chocolate Shop series. The one from the Mermaid series have the biggest packaging so far. Finally, last but not least, there's only the mirror left anymore. Oh, it's really heavy. So I think the mirror can either come in a transparent pink one, a transparent blue one, or a transparent white. I said white again. A transparent one. Let's see. Oh, I got the transparent one. Look at this. Flower Nose always make the prettiest mirrors. Guys, this feels like a crystal mirror. It's so pretty. Oh, they really know how to capture my heart and my wallet. Here are the mirrors from the previous collections. This is the one from the Chocolate Shop. This is the one from the Unicorn collection. I don't have the Strawberry Rococo one. And then this is the newest one from the Mermaid collection. I think this one is my newest favorite, and then this one is my second favorite. And then we have the Chocolate Shop. Which mirror do you guys like best? Alright guys, these are all the makeup products I bought from Flower Nose and all the things I received. I'm super happy. I'm in love with this mirror. So now I'm going to try on the makeup products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you are picking anything up from Flower Nose and what do you have from the brand already. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!